Hello everyone, a very good evening to one and all. My name is Anshuman Panda, class BPEd first year, section X2005, roll number 64. My course code is PEG 413. So in this video, today I am going to perform some basic gymnastic skills. First, I will perform the forward roll. Second, I will perform the front and back scale. So let's get started. So before doing the forward roll, make sure that you have a proper mat with you. So if before doing any type of skill in any sports, we must follow some warm-up activity, some stretching activity to prevent injury. So now we will do some stretching exercises of our back because in for forward roll, back plays an important role. So we must exercise our back muscles. Let's get started. We will stretch our back. We will lean forward. Stretch our finger also. After that, we will rotate our wrist in clockwise direction. Change with the reverse. After that, we will do some trunk rotation. In this, our hand should be on the waist, and now we will rotate our trunk in clockwise direction. Now reverse. Slowly stretch the neck muscles, lower body. Now we will begin with the forward roll. So first of all, we will stand according to our shoulder width apart. Our feet should be shoulder width apart. After that, we will squat with our feet by joining the both the feet little closer. Both the hand should rest beside your feet and according to the shoulder width level. After that, we will tuck our chin. Then we will roll it on the ground. Last is we will stand up in this position. After coming into this position, we will stand up without supporting of our hand. So this is the demonstration of forward roll. I will be doing two more forward roll exercise. This is the basic skill that is being done by the beginner gymnast to beginner gymnast. So now the next skill that is I'm going to perform is front and back scale. First, we will stand with our feet. Sorry, हमारा जो feet है according to shoulder width apart होगा, and we will raise our both the hands up. The hands should be straight and parallel to the ground. After After that, we will take a deep inhalation and we will lift our right leg up to some degree and we'll balance it for some seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, similar, we will do it with the another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this is the front scale. Now we will do the back scale exercise. Back scale is similar like the front scale. We will stand according to our shoulder width apart. Our feet should be there. We will raise our both the hands up. Hands should be parallel to the ground. Ground के साथ parallel होना चाहिए. After that, we will lift our lower, lift our leg back direction, and we will hold in this position for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with another leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Things that we must consider while doing the uh, forward scale, that your upper body portion should be straight. It should not be like this. Your back should not be bent. And while doing the backward scale, your upper body should not be like this. Your back should not be lean forward. And जो जब हम बैक स्केल करते हैं तो कभी कभी ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है हमारा बॉडी. नो, वी हैव टू बैलेंस इट. Balancing is most important. So this is all about the skill, forward roll, front and back scales. Now I will be doing some uh, fitness exercises which helps a gymnast to improve his skill related fitness, improve his fitness. So I will do the plank exercise and I will hold it for up to 30 seconds. Planks helps to improve our muscular endurance, muscular strength. So let's get started. I will hold it for 10 seconds, 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So planks, by doing planks, if a gymnast do plank exercises daily, then his strength in the back muscles as well as abdominal muscles will improve, which will help in to improve his skills in gymnastics such as forward roll, back split, cartwheel. So this is the fitness exercises. I hope you liked it and you like the skill as well as the exercises. Thank you so much.